on the video so then you can watch it. I'm gonna just put, this is number 28 hollow silver, and see what's up with this one. So really simple way when you're doing it, especially for the holiday. The clients, oh, I just want a little glitter on my ring finger. Sure, you can add it on at, it's a special promotion. Like if you are spending, or if you are doing your new set of like 40, 50, whatever that you want to, would like to add it on for your clients at you running promotion for holiday, and also is appreciate for your clients, you can do that. Like 2 nails is $6, just only a ombre glitter, or is depend on the salon location, you can do price of like $5 each nails. Just really depend on your salons and on your techniques and your skills and the time that you are going to perform. So I'm gonna go ahead and using number 1, the ombre brush, the floral brush, and then give it a really quick blend. Like I'm gonna do what I'm doing, but keep it parallel with the nail. I'm gonna turn it on the side so you can see that instead of just like holding it 45 degrees, I'm gonna use entire of the body of a bristle, even though it's just like really is cool and a thin bristle, but it does a beautiful work for you. That's it. And then you go backward into the cuticles, forward, backward. I'm not sure how I'm gonna going it the way though. Okay, and blend, and you don't need to do anything much. That's it. Here you have your little cute of simple ombre with your glitter. I'm telling you, there are 1,000 different ways to do ombre, okay? And then a different techniques on a different product. Like say, if you're watching me doing liquid and powder, I do ombre, different techniques. If you're watching me do velvety gels, is a different ombre techniques. If you see me do is gel polish, is different techniques. So find what techniques, or give it a try and play with this, and give it a couple of times to try on. You're gonna get hang of it, and you're gonna find out, oh, this one is better, or this one is hard for me to do. I find out a different way. So it just is for your inspiration, and you can also like put your twitch in it and figure out which way it works the best for you. Okay,